hetero, alas 5.
Okay. Drink. This is empty.
Permanenteng lasing si bede. Hindi niya na kailangan ng alcohol o ng beer.
Not so bad. That was fun.
The little things in life. Minsan makakahanap ka ng kasayahan sa simpleng bagay tulad ng slide, playground slide.
Look. Up there.
Oh.
That.
Gabe has entered the chat. Shut up about the moon!
Atoms travel everywhere. You can never be far from anyone. Then aren't you never really close to anyone?
Galing ng word play.
Well, the
Pag
point
literal
is that
kang
you can have
malapit sa
everything all at
lahat,
once.
paano kayo magiging
If
malapit
you
o close
want
o like
something
BFF?
more specific.
Ayun yung tinutukoy ni Queen na kung close, kung malapit, literal kang malapit sa lahat.
Anything specific?
Do you want
wanna be close
something
to?
specific? No. Hindi niya gusto lang ni Olivia maglaro.
Caesar's good.
Caesar's good. Basically, sinasabi na kahit saan okay na. Atoms travel everywhere. Kahit saan.
Yeah. That's okay.
Mickey.
Yes, Sugar Bear.
He's coming.
Andito na si Kyle Tigang sabay.
Aren't you gay?
Aren't you?
And naman si
I'm
Badabadabad.
Catholic.
Kung di siya nagsasalita ng gay, pinapasa niya ang gay.
No.
So you wouldn't date me?
Yes.
You could have just
So you
told me.
wouldn't date me? Oo, Kyle. Wala nakikipag-date sa Jologs. Baduy mo kaya.
I'm going to kick your ass.
Imagine mo, tunay na lalaki ka, makipagsuntukan ka sa bakla.
Have a great summer.
Hey.
Hi.
Ito yata ang natatanging interaction ni Sarai at Cohen sa buong movie na to.
You and I could hang out.
Han out. Pronounce your G. Parang si Johnny Gilbert. I'm a sinner. Pero sinner pala sinasabi niya.
And why don't we hang out?
I don't know, we don't really have that much in common.
Totoo para sa mga bakla. Sa mga bakla, opposites don't attract. Gusto nila same lagi. Same gender, same personality.
I know that I was a non-binary pansexual when I came out as a vegan.
Wait, vegan ka? Teka, Cohen. Gumawa ka ng bread. May itlog yun ah. Animal product.
It's like the kids at that party last night. They just live in their own little world, don't they?
And the two of us, we're never getting it.
We're never getting in. Same. Pero ako, wala akong pake kung makasali ako sa mga normal people.
You're in love with Cohen, right? That's why you didn't go after Grant?
Yeah.
See? Sabi ko si Cohen tinutukoy nung nakaraan.
You know, if we were straight, we could just drive to school every.
Ay, nakabada-bada. Nagsalita na naman tungkol sa pagka-gay.
As promised, a comprehensive man hit list. Source: I'm a lesbian and I'm tired.
Cohen, I think the day you learned to read, society just got worse in
Alam ko
general.
ba di marunong magbasa ang bakla?
I know I said we could do the hit list today, but I just got the results back from our survey from all of our straight best friends. I made a graph.
Gay people can't make graphs.
Hindi marunong gumawa ng graph ang bakla. Gusto ko yan. Running joke na yan. Hindi sila matalino.
Go ahead. Thank you. I love you.
Oh God.
This is not good. This is bad. It's very bad.
Oh, kala ko ba di na kayo close?
You say Jesus was a pansexual.
He had personal relationships with billions of people. It's kind of slutty.
I bet you could rival him in terms.
I bet you can rival him. Yes, oo. Kaya nga siya nabansagan sa intro na gayes eh. Yung sa school pictures.
Just kiss hetero ass for a week straight, then we can go back to this being a gays only event.
Kung natatawa tayo mga straight sa gay, yung gay natatawa din sa straight.
He?
Well, hello there.
You said you had cake.
We have a serious problem.
Lol, kaya
The
pala
cake, Missy,
Giselle.
where's the cake?
Kasi
We
pag si
have
Saray
pressing
allergic sa
issues.
cake.
Is this about the Pizza Hut thing?
Yeah, it's about the. Wait, how do you know about that?
I'm well connected.
Kellen put it in the group chat.
Sino?
Yeah.
Sinong gagawa nun? Walang hiya ang puta nilagay sa group chat na nag-kiss sila ng friend niya sa CR ng Pizza Hut. Oh
Let's
my
look at the
god,
facts.
obsessed si Bada kay Cohen. Meron din ganyan sa akin, tili ng tili. Ayan na, na-upload na kita! Was number 5. Go! 5. Watch out for part 6.